Ever dreamed of hassle-free international travel or sending money abroad without the usual bank fees? Today, we're diving into the simple yet powerful world of currency exchange with Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and make sure you've logged in. Look for the exchange section. It's usually clearly labeled with a symbol representing currency, like two arrows going opposite directions. Tap on it to proceed and convert your money into another currency. Next, choose the currency you want to exchange. Euro, the one you currently hold, often shown as having a balance in your Revolut account. Tap on the currency field, which will open a currency selection menu. Browse that selection and find your currency. It may show you the specific account you're exchanging from, like your GBP balance or your USD balance. Then select the specific account you want to make the exchange from. Now, choose the currency you want to receive, like euros or Japanese yen. Again, you'll usually tap a currency field to launch a currency selection screen. Enter the amount you want to exchange in your chosen from currency. Revolut displays the current exchange rate, so you know exactly how much of the new currency you'll receive. Before confirming, double-check that the amount and the exchange rate shown are exactly what you are looking for. If everything looks good, tap the exchange or confirm button. And that's it. Your exchange is complete. You'll typically see your new currency balance updated instantly in your Revolut account. You're now ready to spend in your new currency while traveling, or send funds internationally with ease. Revolut makes currency exchange quick, easy, and often more financially savvy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.